Hi students, welcome to our maths class, and in class 12 today I am going to discuss exercise 3.1. Okay, chapter is matrices. We had already discussed about the types of matrices and etc. But exercise 3.1 we have to discuss now. So in the first exercise 3.1 we have given in the matrix A. Exercise 3.1, question number first. In the matrix A, this is given the matrix. Write the order of the matrix. And you know very well there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So order of matrix is what? 3 cross 4. So in the first question, exercise number 3.1, first question, we have given a matrix. And we have to find the order of that matrix. So order of that matrix is 3 cross 4 because 3 rows are there and 4 columns are there. Clear? Second, the number of element. Number of element is nothing but 3 cross 4, that is 12 element. Okay? And write the elements A21, A13, A21, A33. So you know the order A11, A12, A23, whatever. The elements you can write here. Okay, now second one, in a matrix has 24 elements. Question number second, in a matrix have 24 elements. How many elements are there? 24 elements. Okay, what are the possible orders it can have? What are the possible orders it can have? And what if it has 13 elements? First thing, you have to write the possible order of the matrix having 24 elements, and also we have to write if there is 13 element, then what are the orders? Okay, so if you see, then if 24 elements are there, then first one 24 into 1, 1 into 24, these are the orders. And also what? 3 into 8, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 3 into 8, 8 into 3, and then 4 into 6, 6 into 4. Okay, so how many possible orders are there? 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 possible orders are there. Okay, and if it has 13 elements, then possible orders are 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. We have already discussed this type of questions. Okay, so please note it down. Then we have to see third question. Okay, yes, question number third. Question number third is the same as 18 elements. Then what are the possible orders it can have, and what if it has 5 elements? It is so easy. Now question number 4, construct 2 cross 2 matrix if A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by this. So first question I have to solve, and then after you can find. Question number 4, first part, we have to construct 2 cross 2 matrix, that is there are 4 elements. If we want to construct 2 cross 2 element, 2 cross 2 matrix, then A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is the matrix A which we had to construct. And Aij is given, first question, Aij is given I plus j whole square by 2. I plus j whole square by 2. This is given Aij. So how many elements are A11? So first we find A11. So this is nothing but 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 2 square upon 2, this is 2 only. Similarly, A12 if you write 1 plus 2 whole square by 2, this is 9 by 2. Okay. Similarly, A21 2 plus 1 whole square by 2, this is also 9 by 2. And A22 2 plus 2 whole square by 2, this is 4 square, 16 by 2, that means 8. So fill up the elements, you will have A. So A11 is nothing but 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. So this is the matrix which we constructed in question number 4, first part. Okay. Similarly, second and third you can do. Understood? Fifth is also the same type of question. Construct 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by like this. Okay, this is also an easy question. Now, question number 6. In this, find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. So, third part we had to do. Okay, question number 6, third part we had to do. Understood? So, question number 6, third part. We have to find the values of x, y and z, and we have given matrix x plus y plus z. Question number 6, third part. X plus y plus z. Okay. Then x plus z. And then y plus z. And this is nothing but 957. Okay. So if we see the equality of matrix, then we have nothing but x plus y plus z. This is nothing but 9. X plus z is 5. Y plus z is 7. Question number 1, 2, 3. And you know very well how to solve these equations. Okay, if you subtract 1 minus 2, we will have x plus y plus z 9, x plus z 5. So x, z cancelled out, and y is nothing but 9 minus 5, 4. Similarly, 1 minus 3 if we subtract, then y and z is cancelled out, x is 9 minus 7, this is 2, and putting the value of x and y in first equation, we will have the value of z. Okay, so you can solve by this method. Note it down, and then after 7th one. Okay. Okay. So 7th question is, find the value of A, B, C and D from the equation. This is also the same as this question, because we have also in this question equality of matrices. Understood? Equality of matrices. So you can find it. Now question number 8. If A is equals to square matrix of order m cross n is a square matrix if, so obviously you know the definition of square matrix. If m is equal to n, then this is the square matrix. 9th one, this is also the same question. Which of the following values x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? So again you use equality of matrix. Question number 10th. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry is 0 or 1. This is most important question. So many times asked in board. So please be careful for this question. Question number 10. What are the number of all possible matrices? All possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry is 0 or 1. So we have to find the 3 cross 3 matrices with each entries 0 or 1, not 0 and 1, with each entries 0 or 1. Okay, 0 or 1. So please see, 3 cross 3 matrices, that means there are A11, A12, A13, A21, A11, A12, A31, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, there are 9 entries. Okay, but we have to entry either 0 or 1. So each place can be 0 or 1, 0 or 1. Each place can be filled by 2 entries, 0 or 1. That means 2 method. Okay, so by combination and permutation, there are 9 entries. Each entry has 2 options. That means 2 power 9. That is 512 matrices formed so that. Okay, so this is the method to find number of matrices. Suppose if it is 2 cross 2 matrix, there are 4 entries. That means 2 power 4. Okay, maybe entries are 2 cross 2 matrix we have to find, but entries are 0, 1 or 2. So there are 3 entries in each places. So 3 power 4, 81 matrices. You may understand this one. Okay. So in this manner we have to complete exercise 3.1. Now some more topics we have to discuss here, and then after you solve exercise number 3.2. Okay, so let us discuss operation on matrices. Okay, so now next topic is operation on matrices. Operation on matrices. Okay, operation on matrices. So first one is addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. So how will we add two matrices? Let A is equals to Aij of order m cross n, and B is equals to Bij of order m cross n. If the order of the matrix are same, then only they add. Okay, same order. For addition of matrices we need same order of matrices. Then A plus B, this is nothing but Aij m cross n plus Bij m cross n. So Aij plus Bij m cross n. That means we have to add the corresponding elements and we get the addition of matrices. Okay, so please note it down. Then after we see the question. Okay, okay, so suppose we have given two matrices and we want to add it. So let A is equals to same order of matrix 1 2 5 3 2 1. This is of order 2 cross 3. Then B must be of order 2 cross 3. Then only we add A plus B. And if you add A plus B, you just add corresponding element. A11 by A11, 1 1 2, 2 3 5, 5 5 10. 3 2 5 2 4 6 1 8. This is the addition of matrix. Okay, note it down. Okay, Now next topic is multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Of a matrix by scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar. This is so simple. If A is equals to Aij m cross n, then K times A is equals to K times Aij for m cross n. So K is multiplied by each element of the matrix. We should have K times A. Suppose A is the matrix 3, 5, 8, 2, 2, 3, then 2 times A, that means 2 multiplied in each of the element. 2, 3 is 6, 10, 16, 4, 4, 6. So this is the multiplication. Okay. Why is a scalar? Okay. So next one is properties of addition of matrix. As you know, since corresponding elements should be added, that's why addition of matrix hold commutative law always. Associative law as well as existence of identity, that is zero matrix is identity matrix, and existence of inverse also. Okay. Similarly, we can see the properties of multiplication of a matrix also. Matrix multiplication, K times A plus B is K, KB. That means if you multiply a scalar in both the matrix, we should multiply in corresponding elements. Okay. Now, next topic is multiplication of a matrix. We have to see in next lecture after summer break, multiplication of matrix. But you have to solve whatever the questions based on the addition of matrix. Okay. So that we have to finish this exercise also. So please try to complete. Otherwise, we have to see multiplication also. Then this particular exercise is complete. Okay. So now see multiplication of matrix. Let A is equals to Aij of m cross n. This is the multiplication of matrix of matrices. Okay, let Aij of m cross n and B is equal to Bij n cross P. It is needed for multiplication. The number of column in the first matrix must be equal to number of rows. Then we multiply it. AB is equal to Cij is new matrix, and the order of this matrix is m cross P. M cross n, m cross P, then m cross P. Okay. If you see multiplication, then A is equals to supposed to be m cross, and that is 2 cross 3. Suppose we have to 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3. This is of matrix of order 2 cross 3. Okay. Then we must have a matrix B, so that it multiplied in A, we must have 3 cross 2. That means 3 rows and 2 columns. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. This is 3 cross 2. Okay. So the resulting matrix AB is nothing but of 2 cross 2. Okay. And what are the elements? You just multiply row by its column. This is the first element Cij. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 3, 2. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 3 plus 1 into 2, 5. Okay. Similarly, this row by this column, 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 1, 3, 2, 3 to 5, 1 into 1, 1, 6. and then this row by this column, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 8, and then 1 into 3, 1 into 1, 3 into 1. So 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, 4, plus 3, 7. So this is the matrix AB. Okay. So after summer break, we have to see after next exercise 3.2 and next topic, transpose of matrices. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much.